Hi everyone, we're here coming crabbing and fishing. Just a last minute event on Sunday, beautiful sunny Sunday. We just decided to come. First time crabbing and fishing ever for the boys. We'll see how it goes. Take a nap. They've been really bad all day, just now too. Might get a beating down here in the pier.
할아버지 찾아? 할아버지 어디 있어? 할아버지 어디 있어? 할아버지 해봐. 너 없어? 할아버지 없다?
할아버지?
응. 또 해봐. 할아버지 찾아봐. 할아버지 찾아봐.
할아버지!
할아버지 보고 싶어요?
할아버지.
이거 할아버지 보고 싶어?
I'm a tiger. This is the best day of my life. Because, first time fishing of my life.
Okay, man. You stink. Jeez.
Ew! What?
Boy, you smell like...
Because I catch fish.
We're out here in this beautiful Edmonds dock.
Same parking lot?
Got our fishing pole.
What's this?
Couple crab pots going.
Okay.
There's all the boys. Titus.
Also, the sea is stupid.
Yeah, they went for a walk. Hopefully we catch a whale out here.
No, but you said a long time ago you catch a whale.
Yeah, we'll catch a whale tonight. Is that garbage? What is it? Oh, that's a bait for the pot.
That dude's a chicken.
Man, there's nothing out here. Only thing out here is our bait.
Yeah.
No crab,
Well, there
no
was
fish, or we
little
suck.
bit.
Maybe we suck at this. This is why we don't do this for a living. Huh. It's got beautiful weather though.
It's too hot.
Look at that. Nice, beautiful September, Washington.
You told me it was dark and gloomy when I was in Casablanca.
We did have some, we did have a lot of rain for a while, but it's a beautiful Sunday.
Oh, was it?
A lot of people out here on the dock, pier,
back on Saturday.
going for
It was
walks,
nice weather.
Yeah.
crabbing, fishing. At least get to enjoy the weather.
On like Thursday. We need crab.
Okay, we're reeling one in. We'll see.
We got one.
Pull it up.
We got one.
Let's see.
Oh, one! We got one!
Watch out. Watch out.
Look at that.
We got
Watch out.
one!
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
We got one!
I think that might be the female we threw out though. No, that's a
이거 오빠의
that's a
garbage
rock
in there?
crab.
Look at that. We caught a fish.
No, we
Oh, we got a fish head. Oh, how do we catch that?
crab!
Oh, it's
Let's see. Is this
a red rock.
Is this 5-inch?
That's not 5-inch.
No, not even. Don't even measure.
Measure. It's not 5.
Can we eat it?
Ooh.
5.
Can we please eat it? It's really close.
Nothing to eat on that.
Yeah, there's nothing to eat on this stuff.
Can I throw it?
국물
Not
많이.
to throw it!
라면 국물.
Careful. Be
계라면.
careful, it's gonna pinch you. Gotta pull like this. Okay, pull, okay? Pull, keep. Go, go. Ace, you're pulling too fast for him. Slow down.
Slowly. You don't need to go fast. Can't even pull a cry pot up.
It's not heavy at all.
This is how dingaloos will be fishing.
Why is it so wet?
See if we get anything.
It just came out the water.
How do you know? You see? Oh, you
It's
saw
so
it.
wet.
Mm.
So wet.
So we got
Nothing.
one for 4 families right now.
Oh, we don't need any.
We got Titus.
Appa, can we have dinner with Constantine, please?
Ace,
What?
Ace,
No.
you're stepping on the line.
Eli,
Watch out. Don't get off the line.
No, crab is not.
Get off the line. Stay off the line. Stay off the line, Eli. I say Tia.
Hey, should we use that as crab bait? You can go eat it.
You got it!
This is a type of shark.
Okay, stop right there. Let it go.
You got it.
Come on, Tia.
Tiara's first fish.
And the type of shark.
Oh, we cannot eat this one.
I thought dogfish are edible. No. Kill it.
No.
Throw it in the water then.
Don't kill
Kill it and throw it in the
Look at the
water.
eyes.
So little fish. Oh, it's so big
Look at the
eyes.
eyes.
Big eyes.
Tia, your first catch.
How about mine? I was gonna do that one. The big
Look at
eyes.
the eyes. Yeah.
Breathing though.
Yeah.
Like I see the knife move. Yeah. That's Kill it.
Got a hook right here, though.
Yeah.
Take it off.
That's crazy. I'm like, can you not push cat? That's cute.
What is that, you know?
That's a dogfish.
What is it? What is that?
Oh my. No, not catched it.
Ooh.
She like saw it moving and she started scared. Yeah. Fish. They got a fish. No, let it go. Let it go. Yeah. Ah! No, just dogfish. Kick it in the water. Dogfish. Can I put it in the water? Dogfish.
Okay, that way. Oh, wow. Go home. Send it home.
Too small?
Send it home. Bye-bye.
Let it go.
Beautiful sunset evening on our first fishing trip to Edmonds. Look at that, beautiful. It's gonna get cold once that sun goes down. We caught one dogfish earlier. You can see one little crab. Just bought it, but tide's coming in, so anything can happen. Ace is waiting for the pole to shake. He's all doing is looking at the pole. The other kids are being rowdy, about to get in trouble for all their little mishap. This little one's going wild and crazy. Look at this thing. Too much energy. And Ace continues to look at the pole. Hey, it looks like we got another one on. We'll see what it is. Ace is whirling it in. Go on, Tiger. Ace and Tech Thumpchin. Oh, you got a whale? You got a whale? Where's the whale? Come on.
We can't eat a baby shark for dinner.
Oh, I see something.
Oh,
I see something.
that's big. Baby shark.
Baby.
Baby shark.
Yeah.
No, a doggy.
Good job. Good job. Yeah.
Doggy fish.
Hey, you got.
Doggy fish.
Okay, you gotta get it. Come on. It's still fun. Come on, you gotta get it. Bring it up. Come on. Bring it up.
Okay, stop.
Okay, stop. Too much. Release it.
Right there.
Okay, Ace, now you gotta learn to release it.
There you go.
You gotta
Good
get the hook out of
job.
his mouth.
Okay. Hold on. Make it longer.
Cool, look, he's prehistoric.
Yeah, look
he's
at
an
it.
old school fish.
Look at that.
He swims through the water, flies through the water.
Yeah.
Look at
Good job, Ace.
it's breathing. How do I unhook
Fun though.
Slimy. How do I unhook it?
We'll take it out.
But yeah, I think you should take a picture with him.
You want? I got it.
Come here.
Slimy.
No, I want you. Don't grab the fish.
Slimy, Mom.
Just grab.
Cause
wait.
touched it. Hope
Wait,
touched
Cause
it.
yeah, come here.
Slimy, that's
Cause yeah,
why.
come here.
Oh,
Come here, Hoja. Cause yeah, hold this. Hold it right here. Right here.
why right there?
That way you can take a picture with it. Hold it up. Hold it up so Daddy. Hold it up higher.
Look at me.
Here.
Look at me.
Look it up. Look it up. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let go. Let go.
I see the inside. I just saw the inside. I thought that was short. That was very heavy.
Just set it down.
Like
Come on.
this. Ready?
Scary cat. Come on, Eli. Take a picture.
Take picture.
You went together.
Right here.
Don't hold it. Just
Don't hold it.
Yeah, just look
Like
at the
this.
camera.
Look at me.
Look at Samchin. Popo.
1, 2, don't popo it.
Look,
Get your lips.
People gave us some.
Good job. All right.
King.
They're gonna fight now.
The king.
Whoa.
That's a king crab. Baby.
Crab battle.
King. The king.
Red
You're
one.
not even battling.
Sorry.
It's hard.
It's okay. Just go slow. Oh, maybe it's whale this time.
It did jump pretty good though.
Yeah.
We really got a whale this time, huh?
Good job.
Oh, keep going, Tiger. Oh, keep going. You're gonna be on camera. Put up right here. There you
Keep
go.
rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling.
Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Give me something, huh? You feel it?
It did pretty good.
What's up?
I see something on there.
It's a fish.
Oh, that big one. 2 fishes, I think.
Is it a ratfish again?
Same.
ratfish.
Wow, look at that. You got something though.
Oh, this
Okay.
ratfish kind of big.
All right, stop. Something's gonna bring it over.
Don't get
You're gonna bring it over. Wow, look at that. Dinner.
You can't eat that one.
Dinner.
Donna, you want to take a picture with it too?
I
Somebody's
just took a picture with it.
somebody's dinner. All right, another one. We'll see. Tiara this time. Oh, what could it be? Another ratfish.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
His brother came up.
Keep coming.
Okay, stop.
Man, what is
Another one.
Another one. Hello.
All right, Tiara's catch. No good, but you know what? We have fun. It's all about the fun times. Awesome. Good job, Tia.
Hobi, fixie.
Tia, flip. Okay, last final pull. Let's see what we got.
No.
Oh, we have some chicken. Watch out. Move out of the way.
Zero.
We got some chicken. Okay, it's 8 o'clock. Sun is set. Getting pretty dark now. We're getting ready to go. Had a great time. Everybody caught fish.
Yeah.
We got some crab. Very successful first trip ever fishing.
Where are you gonna go?
What's that, Eli? That was Eli, by the way. Yeah, but very good time, right? We had good. No keepers for the fish, but fun. It's just fun coming out, fishing and catching and releasing. Great time. Now the cleanup time. Gotta pack all these crab pots up and go home.
Bye.
So what do you guys think about your first fishing?
It was amazing. Pizza. It's really fun when you when you do the thing and the fishing and I like pulling the crab pot.
Yeah. Oh, hey.
I love fishing. I love the fish. I love fishing.
Okay. Good job. I'm glad you guys had fun. We'll come again if you guys are good. Right? Couldn't understand half the things that Ace was saying, but basically he loves fishing.
I wanted to do
He's
it
not
sit down.
normal.
I wanted
Okay.
to do it sit down.
Okay.
And I never let it do it.
I'm glad you finally got a chance. Yeah.
Cancel.
Good job. Keep it up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe.
Please.
Subscribe.
Please.
Give us thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time.
And watch Ace's football videos.
Watch Ace's football video, Tiara says. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.